Hello friends and followers, here's the Collins 75S-3 receiver. The subject of this video is the S-meter 0 potentiometer, which seems on this receiver at least the S-meter drifts and this needs a lot of adjustment. I'm afraid to detox that thing because, I think I did detox it once and it sort of worked, but it still drifts around. So I did find this Allen Bradley potentiometer on eBay. So that's the 250 ohm potentiometer, and I'm going to put this one in. Here it is. It looks like it'll fit that hole, so just pull this one out. I've already loosened that up, and let's get the thing out of there. See if it'll come out. That washer will drop right off onto the table here. Of course, one hand, it's hard to do anything. Get this out of the way, get this out of the way, out of the way. Drop this thing down, there it is. All right, let's find that thing. Let's see, where is it? Here it is. Looks like somebody put a capacitor on it already. Where was that? Maybe that was me. I don't know. I don't remember. Anyway, yank this out. How does wires go in this thing? Let's see. Oh, look at that. So one terminal is not even used. Is that wired correctly, I suppose? I'm gonna look at the schematic. If that's the case, then on this one, from experimenting with the other potentiometer I had for the 32S1, this is the middle terminal, and then use one of these for the end, and that's how that would go. So it's just a matter of getting that one out. Can probably wire clip it out actually. So what goes on here then? There is, okay, it looks like the center one's grounded. Yeah, the center one's grounded. This is, okay, there's resistor and a wire on there. So I'm just gonna get the soldering iron and just kind of melt those off, I suppose, and see how that goes. I'm looking for some way to prop up my phone to show you how it works. As you can tell, this video is very unscripted, right? Well, there's a bottle of Windex right there. Maybe that'll work. Windex bottle. Put the phone on top. No visibility. Okay, I'm not doing a good job for you here. Maybe this will work. Dummy load antenna, put that on here. Put the phone on.